Crystal, but everybody calls me Chrissy, so hence the Chrissy. Today I have an Amazon haul for y'all. I'm just going to show you everything that I've purchased from Amazon within the last couple of weeks. I have these tops that I have on now in a few colors, some slippers, sunglasses, and a few other things. I also want to show you a Cara unboxing. I did not get the Cara bag from Amazon, but I figured I'll just throw it into this video because I didn't want to do a separate video for one unboxing. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with these tops that I'm wearing today. And my bottoms are the Kim Kardashian Skims. I just threw those on because I thought they would look cute with the tops. Alright, so I'm going to also insert a clip of me wearing all the different colors. So let's start with the nude. Just a simple nude top. And it's kind of like a tank, and it has the Amazon Essentials material, which is pretty stretchy. But it's pretty good quality. I'll link all of these below and also link the prices so you guys can purchase if you would like. So that's the nude. I'm wearing the white right now. And I also have the black. I think I will be wearing these outside because they do come pretty low. So I think they'll look cute with a pair of jeans, maybe some heels, or sandals, whatever the case is. So that's the black, and I have 3 of those. So the next thing I'm going to show y'all are these bras. And I also got the nude colors in these as well. So this is like a beigey color. And here is a video of me wearing it. It has the pads right underneath the stretchy material. So you'll have to be pretty careful when you're watching these. But when you're washing these, I should say. But this is really good quality. Very inexpensive. That is the beige. And then we have this army green kind of color. This is really, really pretty. And it looked really cute when I tried it on with the Skims. I'll insert a video so you can see that as well. There you have the nude, the army green. Next, I'm going to show you these underwears that I got in the earthy tones. These are from the Amazon Essentials brand. So if you look on the inside, it has the Amazon Essentials. So I got like this brown, this light brown color. I don't have a clip of me trying these on because I didn't want to, do too much, but they're pretty stretchy. I got the size medium. I forgot to tell you what size I got in these. These are small medium, but they run a little bit on the smaller side, so I would say to get the next size up. And then these tops, the one that I'm wearing now, are also a size medium. So that's that. Now this is a darker brown, which is really close to my skin complexion, so I'm sure it'll look super cute on me. And I don't know, I feel like they might be small, so I don't know if I'll have to take these back and get like a larger size. I usually wear a medium in underwear, but they look like they run a little bit on the smaller size. Next we have like this nude beigey color, which is super cute. And we have this kind of burgundy color, which is not really my twist, but in order to get the other colors, I had to get the pack with this color. The next thing I'm going to show y'all are these sunglasses that I got. I actually wore these over the past weekend. I'll try to insert a picture of that. But I feel like these sunglasses are so cute. And I actually got these because Asia Marie had a sunglass haul, and this was one of them, and I thought it was really cute, and it looks the same in person. So there you have that. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. The prices will be there as well. So if you have any questions, you can just check the description box. And I also got the blue pair. Oops. Also got the blue pair, which is also cute. So that's what that looks like. And the last thing that I got are these sandals that I'm wearing. I'm gonna take them off so I can show you. These are so cute. I'm gonna insert a clip so you can see what they look like without all the bright lights. But these are like, oh, there we go. These are so cute, if you can see. Alright guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the Kyra unboxing for y'all. So the crazy thing about this is I ordered this yesterday. Like, I didn't even pick expedited shipping or anything because it wasn't an option. And it literally shipped out in like an hour, and then it came today. I don't know if it's because their distribution center is in Jersey, but so far, great experience. And I'm impatient, so I already busted open, but just open the box. And they ship it in like this black tissue paper. And they have the shipping info from the Kyra website. So that's all that came in the box. So if I open this up, there's more tissue paper, and it has a pretty good amount of weight to it. It has like a sticker that says Kyra with a smiley face. So I'm going to open that up. And there you have it. It's so tiny. But the chain is like, the chain gives it what it needs. And if you know me, you know I love a mini bag. Like, that's all I wear. So it comes with the chain and this little styrofoam wrapping. So I'm going to take that off. The chain looks even better in person. Like, I hope you guys can see what the chain looks like. But I'm gonna actually buckle it in. So I can show y'all what it looks like. So my hair is all in the back. I'll back this up. And this is what it looks like on. This chain makes it pop. So cute. I love a mini bag. I'll probably wear it just like this. Pull it down a little bit more. And that's it. Alright guys, that was everything that I ordered from my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. See y'all next time.